Unravel the secret of gardeners worldwide. Powdered milk. This pantry staple is more than meets the eye, offering a wealth of benefits for your home garden. High in calcium, powdered milk can prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers, ensuring your crop remains healthy and vibrant. But the benefits don't stop there. Acting as a natural fungicide, powdered milk can deter pests, keeping your plants safe from unwanted visitors. This safe and natural method removes the need for harsh chemical alternatives. What's more, it can enhance soil structure, promoting healthy microbacterial activity. This can lead to more robust, resilient plants and an overall healthier garden. So next time you're in the garden, remember, powdered milk is not just for your tea or coffee. It's also a gardener's best friend. Discover a world of benefits with this simple, safe, and effective gardening aid. Interested in learning more? Please check us out at drgreengeek.com, the new up-and-coming site for you and our planet.